Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we want to find out where a sensor disappeared to. We have a missing sensor on this Lexus ES350. So there is four sensors on the rear bumper, and as you can see, that finger is going all the way, meaning there's a missing sensor. So I think it's probably underneath or inside the rear bumper. So what we have to do is we have to take out the bumper before we can be able to access that sensor. So before we do that, please subscribe to this channel, like this video, share this video, join the channel, become a Patreon. That support goes a long way. So let's go. So what you need to do next is just pull it out all the way to the right side, and with that you'll have your bumper off. So now we have the bumper off as far much as we need it. So here are the sensors on the inside. Here's one of them, there's another one over here, and this one over here. So this was the one that came off. So this is what we just need to return inside and apply some super glue and then tape it back on where it was. Put the bumper back on and we'll be done.
I've been treading water for some time, picking up the parts of all my life. Didn't get to solve it this time. How am I to break apart? Don't tell me why we can't collide. Nowhere to run, nowhere to hide. Don't you feel it? On the break of dawn, I'll follow you to carry on. On the break of dawn.
Easy.